guys, and it's been a while since I've posted on the channel, like a long time. That wasn't like a school-related video that I needed to do for a class. So I am on call and going to be playing Among Us with one of my friends who also made a collab channel with me. And I will put that up here to go to the channel if you guys want. And I will get back to you guys when we get a full server. I kind of forgot to have my friend introduce herself. So you can go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm anything and everything. I don't have very many videos, or subscribers.
I mean, I don't really either.
My most viewed video is My Dog Loves Feet. So
I love that.
I know, it's kind of...
Yeah. Alright, we will be back once the server is full. Also, I am sorry about the watermark. I forgot to renew my subscription, so that's why it's there. Okay, so we're at 9 people. Last one's probably about to come in. I'm not sure. I might just start at 9. I really don't know. Let's just start at 9.
Someone usually joins when it's starting anyways.
Yeah.
Oh, nope.
Oh, nope. I'm imposter with yellow.
Oh. And you're sticking together.
Yep. So you might not want to...
I can't stick with you.
Yeah, you might not want to stick with us. I'm going to electrical.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, I'm locked.
Where are you locked?
I was locked by medbay, but I'm not anymore. Oh no, yellow's gonna kill me.
Did yellow kill you?
Yeah, he was alone with me for a sec, but then purple came like right away.
So you're still alive?
Yeah.
I killed this dude. I killed both guys. Well, all 2 of them. Or are there only 2 dead? Where was I? I was in a vent. Yeah, I killed both of those guys. One was in electric and one was in... I'm gonna just skip. Skip. I'm gonna move you right there. Okay. Also, sorry for the messy background. I haven't confirmed. Okay. Come on, Blue, vote, please. There we go, finally.
Oh, I know.
No one's sussed me yet. Yeah, you might not want to stay with me because Yellow and I promised to stay together.
I know.
I'm just gonna like vibe in electrical for a while.
But I have a task in electrical.
I'm leaving electrical. You're safe.
Okay.
Then I talked to myself while playing this, so sorry about that. Oh, I need to go to the other one. Ooh, am I gonna win from calling oxygen?
crazy if you did.
I've done that before. I've also won from reactor.
Dang.
What's nice is I know how long each task takes because I played this so much that it's like kind of nice. Did I kill you on accident?
No. I read.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. Come on.
Okay, and we're back to 9 people. Now we're to 10. Okay, let's start.
Yeah, I like to wait till 10 because somebody always leaves.
Me too. I'm imposter with green. Dang, why am
Again?
I imposter again? No.
I wanted to be imposter.
Like, imposter's fun and all, but it gets annoying after a while. But it's green. Green is the other.
Okay.
Wait, you're blue now.
Oh, I don't want to be blue.
Green's in there. Green's in there. You're gonna die.
Okay.
You might want to leave.
I did.
Uh-oh, they're chasing you.
No. Dang it! He killed me.
Oh, bummer. Cafe by the table. Which table? Well, there's 5. Okay. Oh, wait. Who are we voting? Purple? Purple. Let's vote purple. Because if purple gets voted off, then I win.
Yeah. Oh, I hate hiccups. Losers.
I can't wait. I just won, you impostor. Impostor. I don't know. Ha!
Let's hope I can be imposter for once.
Yeah. Ooh, so many people stayed.
You know, a lot of people hate being the imposter, but I love being the imposter. You don't have to do tasks, and you just get to run around and kill people. It's fun.
Let me see. What do I want to change to? I'm gonna be a nurse. I think I'm gonna be a nurse. Oh, they don't have scrubs.
Nurses don't have scrubs?
No, in the game they don't have them. I'm gonna be a reindeer, because why not? And we're back with a full server. Okay, finally, I'm a crewmate.
Me too.
Oh, okay, want to go to admin? Because I have 2 in admin and 2 in electrical, and then I have a scan, and then like the... There we go. Oh, I might as well turn the sound. I still have 1 more in... Why can't I move? Okay, I have 1 more in here. Oh, okay. Hello. Okay, can you come with me to make sure that Black doesn't kill me? Oh!
Okay.
So who?
I'm saying skip.
Skip. I love how he's sussing blue and he's dead.
Hmm?
Purple's sussing blue and blue's dead.
That usually means that they're the imposter.
Why me? No! It's Black!
It is?
Wow, that was so dumb!
Okay, how do I put up... never mind, I'll ask you later.
Okay. Okay, so after this round, I'm gonna have to help someone, a friend with school, so this will be the last one for this video. Vote! Let's let white win. Let's let white win. Okay. We don't need to stay together anymore. Let's be nice to white.
I let him kill me. That's lovely.
Mm-hmm. We have to be fair. It's the most that we can do. I do this every time someone gets ratted out, is I let them win. Come on, kill me. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Why aren't you killing me?
Where are you?
I'm doing...
Oh. Probably because there's a body, like, right there.
Oh! I'm not gonna report it.
Who's left?
There we go. Yeah, we're good. We're good people. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I am running really short on time. I have, like, less than 30 seconds to do the outro, but... we just played some Among Us, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.